This is coming SIL 3.
With how much RR of 1000?
RR is 1000, yes. 1000 means SIL 3. 1000 to 10,000 is SIL 3. So
Low SIL 3 basically. High SIL 2, low SIL 3.
Yes. I would say that if 1000, it can be SIL 2 also, because 1000 means 100 to 1000 SIL 2 and 1000 to 10,000 SIL 3. Either you can justify SIL 2 or SIL 3. But my opinion, I would not jeopardize what Ananda is saying. I would say that let us review the percentage of occupancy. If you have any problem.
Percentage, since it is a live plant, people are there.
Yes, I agree with you. But
because, I mean, if there is a rupture, then it is not a big area, right? It is a big pump.
Yes, it is definitely more than 10-20 meter, more than 10-20 meter. Yes.
Exactly. Yeah.
And Ananta, what is the heat mass? What is heat mass there? This is oil or this is gas or what is the GOR? Oil. So oil may pull fire hoga. Oil will create pull fire. Probably pull fire is not as severe as gas fire, because gas fire is fire and explosion. Oil fire will not create explosion.
No, so but here the issue is the people, right?
Yes, correct.
People may not be just affected by the fire. If it is an asset, then we can apply a condition and monitor that the probability of fire, which is 0.8, right? Some percentage there. The probability of fire. Every leak will not have fire.
Yeah, you're right.
But here people means there may be some HDS gas 70. That's what they specifically put.
Okay, what is the STS level? What is the STS level?
They have written in the description 70 ppm H2S.
No. This is flow. 70% of flow path.
No. In the description, LOPC flammable oil with 70 ppm H2S.
Oh, 70 ppm will not kill people. 70 ppm will not kill people. First, people can die. One people can die at 799 ppm. 70 ppm is tolerable for 10-20 minutes. If you see S2S level, S2S TLV is 10 ppm, IDLH is 100 ppm. One fatality will happen at 799, and at 1299, 100% fatality. At 70 ppm, people will not die for 15 minutes.
No, here P5 means multiple fatality, right?
Yes, P5 we have taken, I think, multiple fatality.
Multiple fatality due to what? Due to H2S or due to fire?
See, even fire will not create multiple fatality, because this is not a gas. This is pull fire. And for gas, S2S is 70 ppm. 70 ppm is very safe. Safe means safe to die. If you are there for more than 15 minutes, then you may die. I mean, if you are there at 799, then one fatality can happen. At 1299, 100% fatality.
No,
I would say that
5 is multiple fatality or single fatality? Can we check?
No, multiple.
4 is single fatality, yeah?
Yeah, 4 is single, yeah.
No, single public fatality.
And multiple worker fatality.
1 second.
And multiple worker fatality. Up to 10.
Permanent disability or multiple worker fatality.
Yes. So
permanent total disability, yeah. That can happen. Disability can occur, no?
Can happen, yeah. So I'm happy with this one, but I would say that let us correct our occupancy factor.
Occupancy factor
less than 10% of time.
No. Less than 10% is less than 2 hours in a day, 2.4 hours in a day. No. Because this is this one, the operators will be, any operator will be present in the field.
Okay. So no problem.
And then, apart from pump, nothing is there.
Yes. So no problem, happy. But I have to make a note here, SIL team.
We can add another protection layer in the discharge pump. We have a high pressure.